Hello artists. So I wanted to give you a easy way to add to the Quarintine Rainbow Connection and show you a fun project where you can add some words. So start off by drawing some clouds in the corners. This is where my words are going to go. My rainbow is going to connect to these clouds. Now you need to make sure that you have enough space for your colors. A rainbow has 6 colors. Technically it has 7 if you count indigo, but usually, as you can see with my paint, it didn't include indigo. It just has red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. So I'm gonna make 6 colors because those are the 6 colors I have. Make sure that you don't make it too big or too small, otherwise you're gonna end up going off your paper. As always, I recommend outlining. Because I'm using paint, I'm actually going to use a black crayon to outline this part of the rainbow because this will create a resist and it'll stop the paint from bleeding into each other. Now, if you are painting or if you are coloring, no matter what, you should make sure that you are always going in the same direction as you are coloring or painting because it'll give you better coverage and it'll make sure that all of your colors are nice and even. So I'm starting off with my red because Roy G. Biv, right? Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. If you have indigo, you could add another line. Notice how I am painting in the same direction. I'm following the curve of the rainbow because it'll give me some nice even coverage. So now that I'm done with my rainbow, I can actually use these clouds to write some encouraging words. I can also write around the rainbow because I have all this extra space.